These channels with historical stories gain hundreds and millions of views. The authors of such channels earn tens of thousands of dollars a month after seeing the revenue stream from these videos, which, as you have noticed, are extremely fascinating. And despite their ease of creation, if you hold out to watch the video until the end, I will teach you the method of accurately creating such videos in an even more excellent and memorable style. Let's go through this process step by step. If you plan to ask for a GPT chat just to create a script for your videos, it's too simple, and it doesn't seem to attract the attention of viewers. Here's the best way to succeed in this type of content. Choose a video you like on YouTube, preferably from a channel that interests you. Copy the URL of the video and paste it into DubDub, which is a tool that converts the video into text. Copy the entire text and return to the GPT chat. Here, ask the GPT chat to retell this entire paragraph in simple and basic English to convey the essence to the audience. GPT chat will provide you with several unique and original scenarios. Now go to 11 Labs or use other artificial intelligence tools to create voices. For this video, I'm going to ask 11 Labs to do the hard work. Yes, friends, sign up via Google and get to work. Copy the script you need and paste it into the appropriate field. Choose the desired voice. For example, I choose this voice. It's really excellent. Listen to the voice. Let's move on to the script and voice acting. Now let's create some pictures using artificial intelligence. If you want to create great pictures using artificial intelligence, I recommend using Midjourney. Midjourney is a paid tool, but for free use, I suggest you use Leonard A. 100% free tool with daily tokens. This is a great alternative to Midjourney. As soon as you start earning on YouTube, I recommend investing a little money in Midjourney. These tools are perfect for creators. Midjourney is the main artificial intelligence image generator on the market. In my opinion, the best way to create high-quality images. Here's how it works for free users. Go to Leonard A and start with an account if you don't have one. Then click Artificial Intelligence Image Generation. Enter a few hints based on your video and the tool will create images based on your queries. Consider taking a little more time to create images. Use the hints that you will find in other images in web browsers, and if necessary, edit the images using the available button. Go to CapCut to edit the video. This web-based software is absolutely free. Add images and audio recordings to the timeline accordingly. First, change the aspect ratio to 9:6 and make sure that the size of the images matches the size of the screen. Try changing the images every 3-5 seconds to keep the audience interested. Repeat this process for all images. To make the video more fun, add transitions and animations. Follow me to see how I apply transitions and effects to images. This will give the video a unique look, as the CapCut library offers many free transitions, animations, and effects. Experiment and choose according to your taste. Let's move on to improving the visual effects by including additional effects. Let's start with clarity to improve the quality of images. Place the images on the timeline and make sure they cover the entire video. Explore different effects suitable for visual effects and play around with different options to find the most suitable for different scenes. Once you are satisfied with the visual effects, add background music and pop-up text. Let's add text. Click on Signatures and then Automatic Winding. The text will be generated automatically on the screen, according to the voiceover. Make the necessary changes manually if necessary. Now, while listening to music, let's continue together. Now, regarding our video, let's look at the video. And such an interesting and high-quality video turned out, of course. If you take more time, you may get better. And by this method, we create a video and then just upload it to the channel. And watch how your videos are gaining the first views. In the beginning, they may gain a little, but if you continue to upload videos, then at one point your videos, they gain a large number of views, and so the channel will begin to grow. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wake of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me, grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.